कपड़े फट गए हैं और एक्शन हो रहा है.
हाँ.
इस फिल्म के अंदर मेरा एक्शन एक नॉर्मल शूट के अंदर मैं लड़ रहा हूँ,
हाँ,
you know.
हाँ.
So it really comes down to how the director is viewing his product and how he wants you to be within that world. क्या हुआ जब मैंने रिहर्सल की तो क्योंकि वहाँ पे बर्फ थी और थोड़ी पिघल रही थी, तो इतना सा कीचड़ का थोड़ा सा ऐसा हवा में उड़ा. तो मैंने केके सर से पूछा कि वो शॉट में वो उड़ा था, क्या थोड़ा सा जब आपका क्लोजअप आएगा क्या वो फेंक के यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं क्या, क्योंकि वो नेचुरली हो गया. एंड ही सेड हाँ करो, बहुत अच्छा लगा. और सडनली बर्फ पड़नी शुरू हो गई. तो विशाल सर ने कहा मुझे वो सीन शूट करना है, तुझे डायलॉग्स याद हैं? I said हाँ सर मुझे डायलॉग्स याद हैं. He said अभी शूट करेंगे, मुझे बर्फ में ये सीन शूट करना है. There is a desperation and there is a kind of aggression and a kind of bullish belief that you have. Because nobody believes in you, so you have to believe in yourself. Every human being is vulnerable. Tell me who's not. Some people might not be able to show it, but रोना सबको आता है.
Hi Shahid, how are you?
Very
How
good.
excited you are, because we are.
Yes, no, I'm very excited, and I'm very excited to know that you're excited. So it's great to be here promoting Bloody Daddy. It's my first real out-and-out action film after a long time, so I'm very excited.
Yes, but I was wondering about this because you're talking about, we are constantly talking about how interestingly the action sequences are designed and everything, and
Yeah.
Ali is really good at it. We have seen that in the past. But you are a dancer. You are somebody who is expressing things through movement and expression. And I would say that Bismil ka that song, that was that was a theater in itself, right?
Yeah, it was, yes.
It was not just a dance, and it was action was there, and everything was so much there. I want to know how the very essence of movement changes when you are dancing from that to when you are doing the action.
First of all, it's very interesting that you noticed Bismil and you felt that it had an element of action or drama in it, right?
Yeah.
So I think as far as filmmaking is concerned, and I'm sure in many ways in dance too, it has to do with the emotion that you're trying to portray.
Yeah.
So whether you're dancing or whether you're fighting, or whether you're delivering a dialogue or whether you're simply walking in a shot, it's really, the point is that what do you want to communicate to the audience? What do you want them to feel, and what do you want them to think that the character is feeling? Because sometimes the character can be sad, but the audience can find it funny. So what the audience is feeling and what the character is feeling always not the same thing. Depends on the situation and on how it plays out. So in the one thing that's very similar in dance and in action is that your body conveys a lot, and it is very, very physical. But what you're trying to achieve through that is throwing the emotion of that character and how he is expressing himself through that, right? So in Bismil, there was a lot of emotional intensity, and he was angry and he was hurt. And so even when he was dancing, even the way the movements were done, it was all very, aggressive, and
Very,
it was all, it was all done like that. And the choreographer interpreted the mood of the character so well that it came out in the choreography. That's why, in fact, yesterday somebody was doing my interview and they said, which is your favorite song? And I said, I think it is Bismil, because I don't know if I'll ever be able to do a song like that again. It's a very kind of, it just turned out to be something so unique and different, right? Action, again, is about conveying the emotion. So sometimes if you're playing a character who is, for example, very restrained, the way that he will fight will be different. If you're playing a character who is kind of desperate, he'll fight in a very different way. A character who wants to attack as opposed to a character who wants to defend will be different. There'll be a character who wants to fight in one situation. In another situation, the guy doesn't want to fight, but he has to fight. So in all these scenarios, the way that you would do it would be different. And to top it all, the filmmaker and the kind of the way he looks at action will also be different, right? So the way he conceives it, the way he stylizes it, will be different. Like in some films you see that कपड़े फट गए हैं और action हो रहा है. इस film के अंदर मेरा action एक normal shoot के अंदर मैं लड़ रहा हूँ. So it really comes down to how the director is viewing his product and how he wants you to be within that world.
Right. That's quite interesting, because the drive is always emotion. Again, if I go back to that, I mean, there's this one moment when stage से आप jump करके तब के सामने जब आके बस देखते हो, and that look.
I'll tell you something very interesting that happened in that song. तो हम लोग वो last moment है ना, जब वो ऐसा jump करता है, फिर वो आता है and he does one kick, Heather, and then he finishes the song looking at KK's character,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
which is और उसमें क्या हुआ, जब मैंने रिहर्सल की तो क्योंकि वहाँ पे बर्फ़ थी और थोड़ी पिघल रही थी, तो एक इतना सा कीचड़ का थोड़ा सा ऐसा हवा में उड़ा। तो मैंने केके सर से पूछा कि वो शॉट में वो उड़ा था, क्या थोड़ा सा जब आपका क्लोजअप आएगा क्या वो फेंक के यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं क्या, क्योंकि वो नेचुरली हो गया। एंड ही सेड हाँ करो, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, बिकॉज वो जो कैरेक्टर का जो मूड है वो इसके, जब इस कैरेक्टर के फेस पे कीचड़ गिरेगा तो उसका एक अलग, एक देयर इज अ डिफरेंट कॉनोटेशन ऑफ दैट। तो वो हमने कर लिया और वो रहा शॉट, अगर आप अभी भी देखें तो एक बार हैदर ऐसे टांग मारता है तो उसके बाद वो चीटा उड़ता है एंड ही इज हैदर इज लुकिंग एट हिज चाचा एंड चाचा इज लुकिंग बैक एट हैदर, and that thing was there. So these are the magical things that just happen, and we did it and it worked. जैसे even in Heather there was another scene जहाँ पे वो मैं ऐसे खोपड़ी पकड़ के खड़ा हुआ हूँ ना, और फिर वो हम हैं कि हम नहीं, वो पूरा जो भी होता है, तो वो एक्चुअली हम दूसरा सीन शूट कर रहे थे। अच्छा? उसी लोकेशन में। और सडनली बर्फ पड़नी शुरू हो गई। तो विशाल सर ने कहा मुझे वो सीन शूट करना है, तुझे डायलॉग्स याद हैं? I said हाँ सर मुझे डायलॉग्स याद हैं। He said अभी शूट करेंगे, मुझे बर्फ़ में ये सीन शूट करना है, और हमने वो सीन बर्फ में शूट कर लिया।
Winter has a bitterness, and the bitterness of the character.
He just felt
and this is like
the poetry of the visual of saying these lines with actual snow falling, and that mood would just be at another level, and we just did it. So many things just happen like that,
somewhere I also feel therefore that you are a director's actor, and some of the wonderful director like you have collaborated with. When it comes to Ali, what are the things that he extracted from you? Obviously we are going to watch it, that's a different thing. I'm saying कि एक actor का internal growth होता है ना, because you are working with somebody. So वो क्या हुआ?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें। एक तो अली टेक्निकली बहुत साउंड है, तो उसकी जो एक्शन की अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, दैट वाज ग्रेट फॉर मी, कि वो ऑलरेडी उनकी जो टीम है, उनके स्टेडी कैम ऑपरेटर हैं बबलू, हु इज अ कैरेक्टर, आई लव हिम। हाँ, वो बबलू भैया ही है, इज़ अ फुल एंटरटेनिंग कैरेक्टर। उनकी जो बाकी टीम है, उनके जो असिस्टेंट्स हैं, जिन एक्शन डायरेक्टर्स कोरियोग्राफर्स के साथ वो कोलैबोरेट करते हैं, वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम है उनकी, ठीक है। और एक्शन ऐसा जॉनर है जिसके अंदर टेक्निक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ वेरी अलाइव काइंड ऑफ जॉनर। उसमें डायरेक्टर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज़ अ वेरी वेरी बिग एलिमेंट, सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने कैमरा लगा दिया और दो एक्टर्स इमोशन एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो आप उनसे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो रही होती हैं एक्शन के अंदर, और उसके बीच में आपको इमोशन भी पकड़ के चलना होता है। सो ही वॉज वेरी वेरी गुड विथ टेक्निकली हाउ ही वॉज शूटिंग इट, सो आई कुड फोकस ऑन माई एक्टिंग, अदरवाइज इट कुड बी डिफ़िकल्ट कि अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हो और टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट आपको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है, तो इट कैन रियली कम इन द वे ऑफ योर परफॉर्मेंस, सो आई फेल्ट लाइक ही रियली हेल्प्ड मी विद दैट। सेकेंडली हिज प्रेप इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड। सो in terms of time conservation and energy conservation, I think it was fantastic. हमने बहुत एक्शन किया, 36 दिन में हमने ये फिल्म शूट की। अगर अली नहीं होता, नहीं सोए थोड़े बहुत सोए, एक रात की कहानी है वैसे, लेकिन वो ही मेड श्योर कि मैं जितनी भी मेरी एनर्जी है, वो जितनी रिक्वायर्ड है वो उसको अच्छे से उसको यूटिलाइज करेगा, क्योंकि उसको पता था कि एक्शन इतनी डिप्लीटिंग चीज़ है कि 5-7 दिन 8 दिन के बाद एक्टर ख़त्म हो जाता है, तो फिर क्या होता है, फिर आगे की शूटिंग इफेक्ट होने लगती है। तो ही वॉज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट कि कितना कराना है, कैसे कराना है, अच्छा अब आप जाओ, अब मैं आपके बिना कुछ करूँगा, बिकॉज आप रिकवर करो, आप वर्कआउट करो, कुछ खा लो, सो जाओ, कल आप थके हुए होगे, योर होल बॉडी विल बी पेनिंग टुमारो, सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स ही न्यू, ऑल दोज थिंग्स, so that was very very helpful. So both of us kind of fed off each other really well. He likes me as an actor, and he wanted me to kind of bring that second and third layer of the character into the, in front of the camera. And he supported me very well technically and with the action and with all those things. So it was actually, I think it was a very nice collaboration.
Another thing is, like, because if I go back to your old interviews, right, there you were talking about your struggle, and there you were saying कि, like, how it used to be like, हाँ बेटे आप बहुत अच्छा एक्टर हो, लेकिन ऑडिशन में जिस तरीके से आपका वो रिजेक्शन मिलता था, and those things used to happen, and that time for you it was all about, I just want to work, I just want to be in front of the camera. What are the luxury that, creative luxury I'm talking about, what are the creative luxury that success has given you?
I think the best thing success does for you is it gives you power to make better choices.
Okay.
or to make choices that you really believe in. Otherwise, you just do what comes your way, right?
Hmm.
And the one thing that success does for you, which is not good, is it makes you feel very comfortable. Because I think growth only happens mostly in discomfort. If you're comfortable, why would you want to change? You would want to sit here all day, right? But if somebody turns this off, you'll go out, you'll try and do something else. So that's how you grow. So I think my biggest fear is that that luxury and comfort or kind of success will kind of take away my street survival instinct, which is what I came with. I think I am who I am because I came from there and I was like, I'm going to make it and I'm not going to give up. And I wanted to survive and I wanted to grow. And that it's like there is a desperation and there is a kind of aggression and a kind of bullish belief that you have. Because nobody believes in you, so you have to believe in yourself. So you
but that vulnerability of an artist is still there because you are already successful. I mean,
every human being is vulnerable. Tell me who's not. Some people might not be able to show it. But रोना सबको आता है. दिल सबका टूटता है. हर इंसान जिंदगी में कभी तो खो जाता है. उसे लगता है मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्या हो रहा है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. वो हम सबके साथ होता है. आर्टिस्ट को दिखाने का मौका मिलता है. तो लोग उनसे कनेक्ट करते हैं.
Absolutely, absolutely. Because you are doing so well in the streaming platform as well, right? So I want to know that do you think that this is the best way to transform yourself, like
As in what way?
medium wise? Because the amount of time you spend with Sunny, the character is not something that probably you do.
100%. It was a great opportunity to spend more time with the character. Definitely. Like when I did Heather, for example, I still feel there were many things about Hamlet or about Heather that I could not show because film mein utni jagah hoti hai, So when you do long form, you get more opportunity to show different sides of the character. Like I think in Farzi, Sunny from the first episode to Sunny in the 8th episode, there is such a big graph for that character. So to be able to justify that and to make it happen smoothly without it seeming jerky or sudden is much easier in long form than in short form, like in a movie format.
Right. No, but we are genuinely looking forward to this
Thank
film.
you.
We are very excited, and this is your time. This is a good time. This is a good time,
Thank you.
and wish you all the best.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.